Friends, this is me Govarthan from Kovai Club. Today I'm going to show you all the omnitrixes and my ultimatrix. Let me start by seasons. First, Ben 10 Classic. This one I made with EVA foams, and this one is a toothpaste cap, and this one is a wheel of a toy car. I have colored on it like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. It's nice, right? Next, Ben 10 Season 2 Alien Force. This is an action figure. This thing pops out and you can rotate it like this, and then you should press it like this. I made it with cardboard and color papers. Like this. Like this. Nice, right? Next, my second omnitrix. This one I made with EVA foam. I made it yesterday only, and this is a model, not an action figure. This one alone will go inside and comes out like this. Like this. Like this. Nice, right? Like this. Next is my favorite season. It's season 3, Ben 10 Ultimate Alien and the Ultimatrix. Nice, right? I made it with EVA foam. I will say this is my best ultimatrix. Nice, right? Next, Ben 10 Omniverse. I made it by drawing nets and joining it with the glues. See, I made I made 4 Omniverse Omnitrix with different nets. You know, right? Net means the net of a cube, like that. And this one is action figure, but inside it will be not nice. I have another omnitrix. It will be very nice. See, like this. But this thing will not pops out. But in my other omnitrix, it will. Nice, right? Next, I will show my another. This one. It's a simple net, you know. You should. I will show you in my next video how to do this. It's very easy, you know. See, like this. Like this, and I have made an hole here so that this thing will go inside. See, like this, and you can press it like this. This is my pop out omnitrix. This dial will be a little bigger. See, I said right. In the store smoothie shop number 23, Ben will do this ring like this. Nice, right? See, like this. It's nice, right? Like this, and this string will go like this, and then this thing pops out. Then like this. Next, this is the first omnitrix I made. This thing will also pops out, but this omnitrix, it's little. You can pop. It will pops out easily, but this one is little hard. Like this. Like this. Thanks for watching. Sir, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you.